my beautiful lovelies, it's Joanna. How are you? It's a nice sunny winter day here in Milan, and today I'm going to be making gricia. We've already done 3 of the main classic Roman pasta dishes: carbonara, cacio e pepe and the matriciana. So here is the point. Gricia is like the superhero of cacio e pepe. You know cacio e pepe, right? It's a Roman pasta dish with cheese and pepper in it. So, let me show you something. Imagine adding guanciale, it's like pancetta but fancier, to your cacio e pepe. If you pour in some tomatoes, you will get a matriciana. If you will add eggs, you will get what? Guess what? You will get carbonara. The queen of Roman's pasta, the creamier one. It is a relatively simple sauce. We need guanciale, which is pork jowl. If you can't find it in your place, you can just go with pancetta. Pecorino, which is sheep milk cheese. It's saltier than Parmigiano. I'm using spaghetti, but you can go with short pasta. I'm making a single portion quantities, but you can just go with your pasta loving instincts. It's ready. As you see in carbonara and the matriciana recipes, we don't put neither fat nor butter, nothing. The guanciale fat is absolutely enough. Now you know how to make these 4 Roman pasta dishes: gricia, cacio e pepe, amatriciana e carbonara. Let's try our gricia. Continue send me photos on Instagram. I like seeing your progress, and see you in the next video.